Hey guys, welcome back to SamResolve, and in this video we're going to talk about the most underrated and powerful effect in DaVinci Resolve, which is the collage effect. Now the collage effect is used to do collages, but with this effect you can do more than just collages. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to teach you how to use it and how to use it in the next viral video. Let's get started. So right here you can see in my timeline I got 1, 2, 3, 4 footages ready to be used in the collage effect. So let's go to the effect and search for collage. Go to open effects, video collage, and I'm gonna drag and drop to one of the footage right here. Let's drop to the top one, and then we can disable this for the moment. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna click on this footage, we're gonna go effects, we're gonna go workflow and create tile, and there you go. There's our collage, and we can copy and then paste attribute and then plug in apply, and we can enable back this footage, and we can click on the first one. Let's go to effects, tile. Let's active tile. This is tile 1, okay. And then go to the second one. Let's repeat this process. Tile 2, third one, tile 3, and the fourth one, tile 4. And we can play back and see the effect, and we can see all of them playing at the same time with each in a collage. So this is what collage are meant to use for. We can change the size of all the individual window just by making adjustment over here, horizontal spacing. And if you have more footage, you can change it right here, but columns, how many columns you want to have, and also how many rows you want to have. And when you change them, let's say I want to have 3 columns and 3 rows, and then we can go back to tile and then pick a tile that we want. Now we got 3 columns and 3 rows, and we got 9 tiles. So put it in 9, and we can fit 1, 2, 3 columns and 3 rows of. So that's how collage are supposed to be used for. But the most underrated features in collage, and it is the animation, tile animation feature. So let me show you how to use it. So we're gonna start by moving this tree to the back. I'm just gonna use one footage for the example. We can go back to the effects, and I'm gonna reset the effect, and then go back to create tile. This time we're gonna change the column to 1 and row to 1, and this is our footage. We're gonna full screen it by 0 out all the effects, which is the rounding, left right margin to 0, bottom 0, horizontal 0, vertical spacing 0. So right now our footage just looks like a normal footage, except right now it is actually have the collage effect on it. And then we can go to tile animation, apply to all tile, animate, intro. And then right here we can change fly animation to fly left or fly right. Let's enable this fly and see what it does. Play back, and there we go. There's our fly effect. And go back to tile animation. We can also change the duration to about 10 frames and see it again. Let's check back the effect again. There we go. And then we can also add shrink animation, shrink height, shrink width. Let's just go with shrink. And there you go. Okay, that was a little bit too fast. Let's change it back. Let's give it a 30 frames. Wow. And if we, and now with this, let's disable the fly. Let's just with only the shrink. There you go. And then we can have a rotate. Aha. Shrink and rotate fade and shrink, I guess. Fade and shrink should do well. Oh wow, oh that's very nice. Fade and shrink. And of course this is only done with one full frame footage, and we can also apply it in our collage. For example, I want to, that's the intro, and then with the outro it's gonna shrink out. There we go. And we can also shrink the duration and then give them, let them come in one by one, and then let them go out one by one, like this. So with the collage effect, this is what you can do to have like a little window pop up in your video. You can also apply this effect in a single big frame. So for example, you want to do some transition, you can do that. So let's say, let me add another footage in here. Let's add a transition, Alt-V to paste the plugin. And here we can have the effects, tail animation, intro, and fly right. Let's see fly effect with, let's say, 60 frames. Right, let's see. So we gotta shrink in, and fly from the right. So this is very good for transition, video transition, or some special effects. You can do it in DaVinci Resolve with the collage effect. And there's a lot of things that you can use this effect for. So yeah, so be creative and use it however you like. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. If you have any question, please leave it down in the comment box down below. Collage is a very powerful effect. It is packed with a lot of features, and I use collage in almost every single of my video. So my videos is actually edited with collage effect right here. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing for more DaVinci Resolve tutorial. I'll be posting video every week, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.